Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol AMRN. We will take a look at the daily time frame. Done this analysis several times before, although it's been a while since the last time I did it, but definitely want to get things updated here with the big gap down. And then, you look down here at the volume, and by far the biggest volume this has had for quite a while. Yeah, this day here beat it, but besides that day right there, big volume and a lot of interesting things going on from the technical perspective. The most interesting thing, and remember, I'm talking strictly about things from a charting perspective, is how the price has now started to find some support right here at $3.70. And this is a twofold. Their first quote-unquote fold comes from the fact that it's right here at this purple line right there, which is the famous 50-period simple moving average. Even if you have just a surface deep understanding of charts, I'm sure you've heard of the 50-day moving average, and you know that when the price is above it, you want to see the price stay above it, assuming, of course, you're bullish. And today, the price gap down. It pulled back, but then to give credit where credit's due, the bulls did get a bit of a bounce right here. So on top of that, not only did the price maintain above the purple line, but in doing so, it also created what we would call in the world of charts a hammer candle. So a hammer candle forming at that purple line. But remember, there was a twofold thing as far as supports. The other fold has to do with this green line right here at 370. And this is coming about from a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of resistance are broken and closed above, you want to see them act as support. So right here you can see general vicinity acted as resistance, general vicinity resistance, and now that the price broke above it, which occurred right there, you would want to see it act as support. And so far, so good. That's basically right where the price bounced off from. So in other words, kind of in a nutshell, there is a whole lot of areas of support right here. So from the big picture perspective, you definitely don't want to see the price dropping below $3.70, because in the event it does, or worse yet, if the price were to separate to the downside, so kind of come down in that range of the chart, what would you have in that situation? Well, you would literally have the price right back inside of this range that it broke out from back here. And not to insult your intelligence, but price movements with genuine bullish strength, you don't want to see them going back to where they were. You want to see them make progress forward. And to be fair to the bulls, something like this could still happen where the price goes sideways. Let's try that again. Grab the wrong thing there. So the price could go sideways here and then start to work its way back upwards. And from the big picture perspective at that point, well, you'd still technically have a set of lows right here. You'd have that set of lows down there. You picture each one of these as stair steps, and the overall stair steps would still be going in the upwards direction. So yeah, the price has pulled back quite a bit, but looking at things from the grand scope, the bulls still have an opportunity to build a higher low, so we'll see if they can get the job done or not, and it all revolves around that $3.70 mark. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.